Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about Forex account management and I will try to answer some frequently asked questions, those questions that are in the mind of every person before getting account management service. And if you are looking for a fully safe and secure account management service, or you looking for a professional Forex account manager, then guys, this video is specially for you. Okay, so before starting the video, let me tell you guys, this is our Telegram channel and people are enjoying our account management service. Almost 1800 plus people vote us that we are trusted. If you want to join our Telegram channel, the link is given in the description of this video. Basically, in this video, we are going to divide our account management service into two parts. Means there are two types of clients on our channel. Some clients have their hard-earned money and they want to get a safe and secure account management, and they are agree to get small profits, but they want that their deposit amount should be safe. And the other type of clients want to take some risk and they have something to risk and they have something to lose and they want to make some big profits on daily basis. Okay, so in the normal account management, our profit target will be daily around 20 to 40%. We trade daily in normal account management service. Normal account management is a little bit risky and I'll not suggest you to go for normal account management with us. But if you are a risk taker and you have something to lose, then guys, you can join this management because the profits are also huge for this management. But if you have a hard-earned money and you want to get fully safe and secure management, then guys, you can join our fully safe management, and the profit target of safe management is only 5 to 10% daily. And if you have not anything to lose in forex trading, then I'll suggest you to join our safe management. But in safe management, we can't trade daily because we have to wait for sniper and cool entries and we have to trade with the move of smart money. So in the safe management, we will make small but safe and secure profits, and the best thing is that our deposited amount will be safe. Okay, now let's compare both managements. In safe account management, I will attach your account with my personal account using a premium trade copier, and you have to pay $15 every month for your trade copier service. And using this trade copier, your account will be attached with my main personal account, and when I will trade on my own account, same entry automatically will be open on your account. And in the normal account management, you don't need to pay $15 for any trade copier service, and I will trade manually on your account. And in this management, your account will not be attached with my main personal account. Now let's discuss the mostly asked question, and the question number one is, what is account management and how it works? Okay, account management is a process in which you have to send me your login details of MT4 or MT5 account, and I will trade on your account. And when I will trade on my personal account, I will also trade on your account, and I will make profit for you, and the earned profit will be shareable between us. Now the question number two is, what should be the minimum account size to start? The minimum is only $200 to start with us. If you have a real MT4 or MT5 account on any trusted broker with the minimum deposit of $200, then you can join us. So the question number three is, how much profit can I expect in safe management and in the normal account management? Okay, so you can expect 5 to 10% daily profit if you are going to join our safe account management, and you will get 20 to 40% profit if you are going to join our normal account management. We always suggest our clients to go for safe account management, but there are also some risk taker clients and they want to earn huge profits with higher risk. That's why we have divided our account management service into two parts. So the question number four is, what is profit share percentage? The profit share percentage is 50-50% from total earned profit. 50% will be your profit share and 50% will be mine profit share. Let's suppose if your account size is $1,000 and we have a profit of $100, that means $50 is your profit and $50 is our profit. Same like that, if our account size is $10,000 and we have a profit of $1,000, that means $500 will be your profit and $500 will be mine profit share. Hopefully you have got it. So the question number five is, when will we share our profit, like weekly or daily? Okay, we will share our profit when we will have at least 5% total profit in safe account management, and in the normal account management we will share when we will have around 20% profit. So the question number 6 is, how can I send you your profit share? So you can send me my profit share by using Binance Pay ID or with Skrill, or using crypto wallets like USDT, TRC20 and Bitcoin. Mostly my clients are using crypto wallets to send me my profit share. So the question number 7 is there any chance to lose my money or account wash out? This is very important and interesting question. So guys, if you are going to join our safe account management, then there are very low chance to lose the money or account wash. But if you are going to join our normal account management, then there are chances to lose the money, because if we will increase our profit target, then our risk will also be increased automatically, and there are chances to lose in this way. So if you want to make consistent and safe profits, then I will suggest you to join our safe account management. So the question number 8 is, I am already scammed by someone. How can I trust you? I know guys, there are a lot of unprofessional traders on social platforms, and daily I get messages from the clients that someone have washed my account. And I know guys, it is not easy to trust someone again, but let's talk about the scenario that what if you trust me. So number 1, this time your account will be traded by someone who is already a professional trader. Number 2, this time you don't need to worry about big lots open on your account, because we follow money management and risk management. And if you are choosing our safe account management, then your account will be attached with my personal account, and all accounts are attached with my personal account. And if I will wash my account, that means I will wash first my own account along with all the attached accounts, and I am not going to blow my account. So you don't need to worry about account wash. And number 3, you can check our account management channel for the history and performance, which will assure you about us, and then you will be able to trust us. If you have any question regarding this video, write it in the comment or send me a direct message on Telegram. So that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video.